Okay. This is called the general power rule, or sometimes known as a constant multiple rule. If you have a constant, you just drop down the exponent and multiply it times the constant. All right, that's all you do. I mean, you can see it here. X to the n, you drop the n down, multiply a and n together, and then x to the n minus 1, just like previously done. So let's go kind of fast on these then. All right, so I've got, let's go blue. All right, so in this case, y prime is going to be 3, just constant multiple rule, and now apply the power rule. So 2x to the first. I don't need to write the 1, 6x. Okay. On this one, s prime of t is going to equal negative 5 times 3t squared, also known as negative 15t squared. Aha! So this is 6x to the 1/2. All right. So y prime, I'm going to say dy dx this time. So dy dx this time is going to equal 6 times 1/2 drop down, 1 subtracted from your exponent. There you go. All right. And we can clean that up a little bit. This would be 3 over x to the 1/2, or 3 over the square root of x. And again, they don't really care about you rationalizing denominators anymore. All right, so this one I must rewrite. So this is 3x to the negative 2. And we continue as usual. G prime of x would be negative 6x to the negative 3. All right, which you could also write as negative 6 over x cubed. And that would be fine. All right, this one I need to rewrite as 4x to the negative 1/2. Be careful there. So f prime of x will be negative 1/2 times 4. So that's negative 2x to the negative 3/2, which once again you could rewrite as negative 2 over x to the 3/2. And again, that's a square root of x cubed. So if you wanted to, I mean, I'm fine as it is. This would be x square root of x, right? The square root of x cubed. You could take the square root of 2 of those. It comes out, leaves 1 behind, and I'm out of room, so I'm not going to rationalize or anything like that. All right, so let's rewrite this one. Negative 8x to the negative 4/3. Ooh, gross. And so then y prime is going to be positive. 32/3. Can't do anything with that. 8 times 4 is 32. Denominator of 3. All right. And then x to the negative. Now, here's the deal. If I subtract a 1 from that, that's like subtracting 3 over 3. So it's going to be negative 7/3. Okay, so I could rewrite this if we wanted to. Again, you know, I don't know how far she went with these, but I'll do a little bit. 32 and a 3x to the 7/3 on the bottom. I do believe that'll be fine. All right, there's stuff we could do, but I'm not going to. And this time I mean it. I'm not going to. All right, that's all for example 4.